A warning from scientists today. They discovered a new gene that can turn any bacteria into one of those superbugs that's hard to kill with antibiotics. It's been turning up in hospitals here and overseas, and the doctors who found the gene warned that it could soon become a worldwide public health problem. Our senior medical editor, Dr. Richard Besser, has more on the threat.
A new study in Lancet Infectious Diseases documents the spread of a gene called NDM1 that can turn almost any type of bacteria into a powerful superbug. Even the strongest antibiotics are unable to treat these infections. The drug resistance is spread by plasmids, genetic material that can hop from organism to organism, which are then free to reproduce and share the resistance with other bacteria. Originally found in India and Pakistan, the gene has now been seen in the United States, the United Kingdom, Netherlands, Australia, and Canada. It's believed the worldwide spread is linked to tourists who receive medical care in India and Pakistan.
The 3 cases that were reported in June in the United States all were traceable to people who had been in India.
Tackling this problem will require not only preventing these infections, but also creating new antibiotics. The problem is, few new antibiotics are being produced.
We are not developing new drugs, and the few drugs in development are not going to handle our problem. We have a real crisis in antibiotic development right now.
And Rich Besser joins us now. So you say that few new antibiotics are being developed. Why not?
Well, it's not very profitable for the industry. If you take an antibiotic, it's usually for a week or so. So companies are looking to develop drugs for things like heart disease or diabetes that you'll take for the rest of your life.
So no antibiotics. What can people do to protect themselves?
Well, these germs aren't more contagious than other germs. So the things we've always been saying: wash your hands. Don't ask for antibiotics because you're more likely to get it even if you don't need it. And if you can, stay out of the hospital.
Okay, Rich Besser, thanks very much. We have a high